Hi, welcome to my 15 minutes Pilates session. I hope you enjoy it. It's just standing tall through the body. Shoulders relaxed, bring the arms up by the ears. Really push the arms back. We're going to sweep the arms down to the side and bring both arms behind the back. Keeping those shoulders back, chest nice and open. So palms are facing out. Take the arms to the side. Lift them back up by the ears. Take them down. Take them back. Out to the side. Up. Take them down. Rotate them behind. So if you're down here, that's fine. If you can get them higher up, that's great. Take them out to the side. Lift up. Out. Back. Back to the side. Back up to the ears. Last one. Out to the side. Take them back. Push the shoulders back. Push the elbows back. And bring them forward. Take the elbows back. Bring them forward. Take the elbows back. Bring them forward. Last one. Elbows back. Bring them forward. Release the hands. Shoulder roll. And another one. Okay, standing tall. You're going to take the hand out to the side. I'm going to do 3 circles back, as big as you can. And then 3 forwards. And the other side. 3 back. And 3 forwards. Shoulder roll. Okay, so standing tall through the body, arm comes back up by the ears. Make sure that the knees and feet stay hip distance apart. You're going to push your bum back. Keep those arms high. Feel the stretch all the way down through the back. Keep breathing. Push through the feet, squeeze the glutes. Bring it back up. Lift up. Push the bum back. Trying to keep the knees above the ankles if you can. Head and neck stay in neutral. Push through the feet, squeeze the glutes. Come up. Arms come by the ears. Push back. Push through the feet, squeeze the glutes, come back. Lift up. Push back. Keep breathing. Push through the feet, squeeze the glutes, come back. Last one. Push through the feet, squeeze the glutes. Come back up. Shoulder roll. Okay, arms come out in front. Elbows slightly lower than shoulders. We take them out. Take the palms forward. Lift them up. Bring them back in front. Take them outside. Rotate forward. Lift them up. Bring them back. Last one. Bring the arms down, shoulder roll. Okay, we're going to do a little bit of work on the hips now. We'll stretch the hip flexors first. So stepping back into a lunge. The front knee is above the ankle. Back heel's off the mat, but drop the weight through the center. Chest stays open and forward facing. Just drop the weight through the center, feel the stretch. Well, so stepping back, drop the weight through the center. If that's enough of a stretch, stay there. Otherwise, we're going to bring the arms up by the ears and reach. Again, that should extend the stretch all the way down through the right-hand side. If you want a slightly deeper stretch, you can take the foot further back and drop the weight through the center. Otherwise, if your balance is good, we keep the weight through the center. Take the fingertips over to the left. And bring it back to center. Take the fingertips over to the left. And bring it back to center. The last one, fingertips to left. Take it back to center. Arms come down. Step forward. Step back with the left leg. Drop the weight through the center. Chest nice and open. Lift the arms up by the ears. Keep the weight down through the center to feel the stretch. If that's enough of a stretch for you, stay there. Otherwise, keeping the weight through the center, we're going to take the fingertips over to the right. Extend the stretch. Bring it back to center. Fingertips to the right. Bring it back to center. Last one, fingertips to the right. Bring it back to center. Arms come down and we step forward. Standing tall through the body. Make sure that the core is engaged, shoulders are relaxed. We're tall through the spine. We're going to bring the right knee level with the hip and take it out to the side. Bring it back to center. If you need to hold on for this one, you can do, that's fine. This is more about working the hip than it is balance. Out to the side. Bring it back. Now this time we're going to take it out to the side. Straighten the leg. Bend the leg. Bring it back. Take it out to the side. Straighten the leg. Bend the leg. Bring it back. Out to the side. Straighten the leg. Bend the leg. Bring it back. Out to the side. Straighten the leg. Bend the leg. Bring it back. One more. Out to the side. Straighten the leg. Bend the leg. Bring it back. That one down. Standing tall. Bring the left leg up. We're going to take it out to the side and bring it back. Out to the side. Bring it back. Out to the side. Bring it back. This time we take it out to the side. Straighten the leg. Bend the leg. Bring it back. Out to the side. Straighten the leg. Bend the leg. Bring it back. Out to the side. Straighten the leg. Bend the leg. Bring it back. Last one. Out to the side. Straighten the leg. Bend the leg. Bring it back. Bring that one down. Okay, so standing on the left leg again. We're going to lift the right hip. So you're just going to lift and drop. So the movement's all coming from the pelvis. You're going to lift and drop. Lift and drop. So the left hip goes that way and the right hip lifts. Two more. Change sides. Make sure you're standing tall. Right hip goes to the left, left hip goes up. Keep breathing tall through the body. Last one. Okay, so with this one, we're going to lift the knee, lift the heel, take the heel behind us. So for this one, try to make sure torso stays upright. So keeping that heel and knee as high as you can. Keep breathing tall through the body. One more this side. Change sides. Tall through the body, engage the core, lift the knee, rotate the heel up and out, and swing it round behind. Last one. Bring it down to the mat. Give the hips a bit of a wiggle just to loosen them up. I hope you had fun. Join me again next time.